and welcome on the Watches TV. And now is a bit of a kind of a challenging time for me because we're going to meet our good friend Harris Yaridaguduglu from MB&F, who's going to talk to us about their latest co-creation with L'Epée.
This is our 13th co-creation with L'Epée, believe it or not, in about 6 years. So what started as a one-off back 6 years ago has now become a collection of 13 different table clocks. So unbelievable even for us. Fantastic partners, of course, L'Epée. Whatever crazy ideas we come to them with, they find a way of actually making come true. So it's a great pleasure to collaborate with these guys. This is, as you just said, our new clock. It's all about threes. So 3 legs, 3 globes, and I'll get to that in a second, a 3-sector dial, a movement which is actually built in 3 layers, if you like, and 3 limited editions of 50 pieces each. What happens with most of these clocks is obviously L'Epée starts with an existing structure, but then adapts that structure to whatever the body is meant to look like. In this case, we needed something that was very vertical, obviously, relatively compact versus some of our previous clocks we've done together, but then also delivered the time in these 3 sectors to allow for the 3 readings of time simultaneously. So adapting the base movement to this special structure was one of the challenges. As always, relatively long time power reserve, 8 days. That's a minimum for L'Epée. Sometimes we go much further with them. 8 days is important because it gets you into that weekly routine. You wind it once a week, every Sunday or whatever. It's a combination of optical and mechanical engineering. And this is not totally new for MB&F because some of our watches, HM5, HMX, HM8, have already used a combination to display the time. You actually look through these crystal balls to see the time below. So what these optical quality balls are doing is reflecting the central dial here upwards, reversing the numbers, and then magnifying the numbers at the same time. You need to work a bit. You need to engage with this machine to actually tell the time, and we like that idea. Someone was saying before that this is a very sort of COVID-proof clock because we can each read the time with social distancing. So you can be 3 around the table and you get 3 times exactly the same time. Some of the workshops were closed for a certain amount of time here in Switzerland, as we all know, but L'Epée did an amazing job in actually delivering the pieces finally on time. We got these a few days ago, literally. Managed to shoot a few pictures and a nice video, and obviously now interviewing with you. But yeah, it worked out just in time.
Again, extremely original pieces. Just love them. Thank you very much for your time.
Our pleasure.